Hello, I'm André Mayer-Roussillon, trainer, consultant and author since 2003, and also an associate director of Topos, a company focused on AI and data. I have always worked in the world of data, and particularly BI. I have witnessed the evolution of this branch of IT, from business objects to Power BI, from ClickView to Tableau, and now AI and Copilot. Today, data is everywhere, and it is massive. To digest, process, analyze, and present these masses of information, a robust, integrated, and versatile tool is needed. Power BI, with its ease of use, continuous update, integration with Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, SharePoint, perfectly meets this need. The goal of this video training is to learn how to use Power BI effectively, following a clear workflow. Connect to one or more resources, prepare the data, build an easy-to-use model, and create a modern and engaging dashboard to present and share. To do this, after an introduction to Power BI, and particularly its place within the Power Platform, we'll learn how to select and use a connector, import data, prepare it, and associate various tables in the Power BI model. We'll explore the fundamental of DAX, Power BI's formula language, and its key function, and finally, we'll create a dashboard to share and present. Throughout the various models, you will have the opportunity to apply your knowledge through one or more guided exercises. The files necessary for the exercises and the correct version are available for download. And finally, to follow this course, no prior knowledge is required. Simply download and install Power BI Desktop from Microsoft website. It's easy and it's free. See you soon!